Did you know that food can be printed and customized specifically for your needs? My name is Geno, and I'm graduating as a marketing management student from Fontis International Business School in Bangalore. 3D printed food is created from edible products manufactured using a 3D printing process in which food pastes or purees are printed layer by layer into a variety of shapes. This innovative technology can customize different ingredients into meals tailored to specific dietary needs. 3D printed food opens possibilities for a more sustainable food system by reducing food waste and enabling the use of alternative protein sources, making it a promising contributor to sustainable development goals. However, despite these benefits, studies show that many consumers still perceive 3D printed cuisine as unfamiliar or unnatural. In response to this problem, my project aims to close the bridge between consumers' values and marketing communication. Respectively, the main research question is, what values-based communication guidelines can 3D printed food companies use in 2026 for social media to align their messaging with the personal values of Bulgarian consumers aged 18 to 26? The goal was achieved by identifying and validating consumers' key personal values through the Moral Food Game. This Fontis tool brings together focus groups and the lettering technique to explore the core values behind eating decisions. The sessions identified stimulation and hedonism as the dominant values among Bulgarians aged 18 to 26, which were then translated into a practical application through an Instagram video. Interestingly, young Bulgarians showed a stronger tendency toward the value of stimulation. However, validation revealed that security needs to be more strongly expressed in values-based communication for novel foods and clearly integrated. These findings align with previous research conducted by the research group Business Innovation. In conclusion, successful value-based communication strategy for 3D printed food companies should express the dominant values of stimulation and hedonism and combine them with sense of security and respect to the tradition.